just wanted to go ahead and share with you my recap for day one. It was a hell of a roller coaster, so stick around and we'll check it out. So if you look right here, I think it's on the screen now, you'll see my day. Let's see if I can make this kind of took it off. Doesn't look like it. But basically my first trade was profitable. So that's always what you're looking for. And really I got hung up. I got flushed out, and that kind of set me on a little bit of a tizzy. And October I'm really working on just, no tilt trades, no over trading, no revenge trading. Trade your setup. And it kind of reminded me that I get to this point where it's like I've got all this stuff on my chart, and it kind of clouds my thought process. Because if you were with me on the live, I literally said I will expect the market to go down, and then I said, first target is the low 200s, and then 2000, 2013, and then I said we should be hitting the 950s. And so I really understood that we were going down, but I just couldn't trade with what my mindset was. And so after I got off the stream, I really just deleted everything on my chart and put what I considered my number one levels on there, and that was it. So a really simple chart with just levels, and go back to what I know best, and that's just scalping in those ranges. And so although I never recommend doing it, I did kind of size up. I was trading micros to start, and I switched to one, and in one trade I did trade 2 minis, which tells me that I got to count my blessings today. I got lucky. If I continue like this, I will not be a profitable trader in this venture with you guys. So what I was able to do, though, was go ahead and stick to my basic trading, trade the levels, and we can get into it a little bit here. I just wanted to show you, quite the roller coaster. I'm up $25. I think I get off the stream right in here around, down $200-300. Kind of frustrated. But dig a deeper hole, come out, get almost to break even. Then I dig a really deep hole again with 2 back-to-back losers, but follow that up with 2 solid winners. So if you look at this, for me, I think what's important is here's where I probably went to I'm just going to start trading my normal size. I have 2 that I take off right away, which tells me I'm nervous. Then I take 2 big losses. Then I get my hits. And in here is where I realize I'm nervous when I'm in a trade. It's if you don't have confidence trading, you're never going to win. So don't even mess with it. Get away. And I oversized, I overtraded, I traded past my time, but I got lucky in the fact that I'm green on the day, and I can kind of regroup, jot this down in my journal hey, the short came so early on. I was hesitant to take it in the early goings of the morning, but really I should have taken a piece of it at some point and played to the short, because if you watch my stream, I start trying to play the bounces to the long side, and really I should have just stuck with the trend, stuck with what my pre-market analysis said was short was the play today. Short banged. If you played to the short, you made money. If you played to the long side, you might have caught a bounce here and there, but you were not with the trend. So for me, coming into tomorrow, I just want to make sure I play the trend, stick with my notion, and stop putting everything on my chart. I don't need to do everything to, take control over, what I got going on. So for me, I just want to focus on, if I identify the plays to the long side or the short side, mark my levels and make a play towards those levels. Have confidence in my trades and get back to what has made me very successful. And that's just